automatic na po bang approved yun? Basta nasa lanta yung inyong probinsya.
Okay, para naman po dun sa AIC, yung pong financial assistance natin na burial assistance, meron po rin tayong ibinabahagi, again, as part of our augmentation support to the local government units. So kapag inilapit po sa atin, ito yung bilang ng mga casualties, ito po yung bilang ng mga apektado, we provide, I think I explained this in a previous interview, an outright cash of 10,000 for burial assistance for disaster-affected families. Again, this is subject to the assessment of our social workers. Ano po, dahil may mga validation process din po tayo na sinasagawa. Aside from that, of course, aside from the burial assistance, po pwede rin po tayo kasing magbahagi ng cash relief assistance para sa mga naapektuhan, lalong-lalo na yung may mga livelihood na nasira, yung wala pong mapagkukunan ng pangkabuhayan. Nagbibigay rin po tayo ng assistance under AIC. At the same time, we also have additional intervention, Cheryl. Ngayon kasi, response phase tayo. When we are at the response phase, we provide family food packs, non-food items, but we could also provide emergency cash transfer. Ito naman ay unconditional cash transfer na binibigay natin dun sa mga apektadong pamilya, especially if there's already a declaration of state of calamity. So that's a trigger mechanism for us to implement ito ring ECP na siyang makakatulong rin sa mga kababayan natin and support them in their early recovery.
Meron po bang mga kailangan na documents na ihanda ang isa pong hihingi po ng tulong sa DSWD? But then again, sabi nyo nga po, LGU na po ang talagang namamahala, ano?
Yes po. Actually, for the distribution of the family food packs, it's really the local government unit that provides us with the necessary documents such as the list of affected families and individuals. Gayon din po yung disaster report. Para rin naman po sa processing ng financial assistance, for burial assistance, syempre mahalaga po na meron tayong validated report. Kumbaga na-confirm po na certificate na yung individual nga po ay pumusay. Okay? Kasi in the absence of a death certificate, because we understand that currently being processed, at least a certificate from the doctor is submitted. That would suffice as a requirement to process the necessary aid that will be given.